In this example, we will use a free template from Rocket Theme. Go to rockettheme.com. Click on the Joomla link. Click on the Joomla Downloads link. Scroll down to the Free Templates folder and open it. Scroll down to the Afterburner template and open the folder. Scroll down to the Afterburner template file and click on the Download button. Save the file to your computer. Go to the Joomla control panel. Open the Extensions Manager. Under Upload Package File, click the Browse button and select your template. Click Upload File and Install. The template is now installed. Go to the Template Manager. Find the Afterburner template and click the radio button on the left. Click on the Default button to make this the default template. Click the Preview link to view your website. This is the Afterburner template. The current modules may need to be adjusted to suit this template.